Hi, I'm Teddy. Sometimes my mum has to go to work, but guess what? I don't even mind anymore. Because now I get to spend the day with Tom. Mum found him through BorrowMyDoggy, and he's basically my second best human. He's not just anybody. He's someone Mum really trusts, and I do too. We do all the fun stuff. Park, Zoomies, Squirrel Patrol, and today I got a pup cup. A pup cup! Best day ever. But the best bit, when I see Mum again, I'm just so happy to see her. But I might just be a little tired from all the fun. BorrowMyDoggy didn't just find me a new sitter, they found me a new best pal.